Hey guys, welcome to the course where I'll teach you to create NFT collectibles. In this course, you'll learn to create your own NFT collectibles. You'll be creating millions of NFTs with me with a very little amount of code. This course is for everyone who are interested to learn about NFTs and want to dive into the world of NFTs. If you don't want to miss out on the NFT bubble and want to create one of your own too, then this course is definitely right for you. You don't need to have any sort of coding or art experiences for this course. Everything will be taught on this course. So without wasting time, let's get started. So what are NFT collectibles, you ask? NFT stand for non-fungible token. Non-fungible are more or less unique and they can't be replaced with something else. Let's take an example. We have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a fungible. It can be traded with another Bitcoin and you'll have the exactly same thing. But now, let's take an example of a rare trading card or let's say rare Pokemon cards. However, they are non fungible. If you traded it for a different card, you'd have something completely different. At a very high level, most NFTs are part of Ethereum blockchain. NFTs can really be anything digital, so as maybe drawings, music. Even if you have your fingerprint turned into a digital way, then that is a very rare NFTs. And your brain downloaded and turned into an AI, that is also in very rare NFTs. But a lot of current excitement is around using the tech to sell digital art. Thus, you can have a collection of these digital arts and then you can call them as NFT collectibles. Now you can take a look at these images and can you find anything similar in them? Also take a look at these. Also take a look at these. Again, these, and also these. So we find there are a lot of similarities in between them, but we need to understand that how do they actually make NFT collectibles? Well, definitely we are now keen about it. Now, how are the NFTs collectible made? Do they draw all these art multiple times? Well, definitely not. So we'll learn about this how these NFT collectibles are made. So in short, to accomplish the NFT collectibles, we decide on what our art is going to be. We break it into multiple layers, we create a design for each layers and then merge those designs to create our own set of collectibles. Now let's see an example where I'll show you about how we break this into multiple layers, this electric bulb design, and then we try to create the art form of collectibles of this bulb design as well. Now here we have this bulb divided into three layers. One, the top is the bulb layer, and the second we have the filament layer, and the third we have the holder layer. Now you can see the bulb, there are four bulbs, red, blue, yellow and green, and then there are the filaments and then there are the holders. Five holders, four filament and four bulbs. Now each of these are connected with each of them to obtain our digital art form. Now when we are successfully able to build that, connecting each of them, then we can have the art in these many forms. Not only this, there are more. So these in together there were 80 results. 4 bulb, 4 filament and 4 and 5 holder gave result of 80 bulbs or our 80 electric light bulbs. So you can see I had the same background in all of them. But if I had a different color, white, and let's say I had a different next color, then this would have doubled into 80 times 2, that's 160. So you can see how the results get increased. Now what is the master plan behind doing this? The first is definitely we draw a pixel art using free online tools, and the next is our coding way. The next what we do is we convert that digital art what we had into collectibles with a few simple lines of code in Python, and I'll be teaching you all the way through it. So this is a complete guided course, you can follow along and learn to create your own. So enough discussion, now let's get started.